Most people don't calculate their time horizon correctly. The way to think about this is stopping and first asking, what's the primary purpose of your money? What are you trying to accomplish? That's really what it's all about. And when you get right down to it, for most people that you ask that question to, the answer is to take care of me and or a spouse the rest of my and or our lives. That's the real simplest, most basic. Sometimes it's to leave some money to offspring. Sometimes it's to give some money to charity. But the main purpose is usually take care of me and or my spouse the rest of our lives. And when you do that, then the next question is, how long's the rest of your life? And people live longer than they think. What I hear way too often is, well, I'm 60 and I'm going to retire when I'm 65, so I don't have a long time horizon. In fact, a really common format might be a 65-year-old who's married to a 55-year-old, where the money is to take care of the second to die, a little bit like with insurance. And that 55-year-old spouse might have parents and grandparents who lived into their early and late 80s, and she might live into her 90s, maybe longer, which means she has maybe a 30, 40-year time horizon. And if you have a 30 or 40-year time horizon, you ask yourself, what's done well in 30 and 40 rolling year periods spanned out over history? And the answer is, you got a time horizon that long, you got a very heavy orientation that wants to think about long-time success. You got a long time horizon. If, on the other hand, you're someone where what you're trying to accomplish is you're 25 and the primary purpose of your money is to buy a house, which you want to do in 5 years. When you get married, your time horizon may only be 5 years. And now that's a very short time horizon. You could also be very old, like you're 85, and you're likely to live 5, 6, 7 years, and then your time horizon is that. But you think about it really over how long is the time period that you need, and then you figure the asset allocation to go with that time period.